Oh wait, it wasn't recording anyways.
Put this on YouTube.
Okay, wait, no wait. It's not. All right, now it's recording. Do Jingle Bells. Ready?
Oh, don't swing it.
Jingle. Jingle bells.
Jingle all
The way. No, do your belly dance.
Do the belly dance.
Oh, what fun it is.
Belly dance.
Oh, okay.
Sorry.
Do your jingle ball dance. We'll start from the beginning.
This time we're just gonna shake it.
Oh, I want you to do it with your belly though. It's so cute. Please.
I'll just shake it in with my belly.
Okay. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride.
I won't do it on. I won't do it on my belly if you stop.
Okay, I'm sorry. Okay. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun.
Stop laughing.
Okay. I'm
Do
sorry.
it again, then stop laughing.
Okay. Oh, what fun it is to ride. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open.
Stop it. You just have some church goggles and a big puppet back.
What's she saying? You just sounded like you just got stuck in Giggle and drink a public bath.
I have no idea what she just said. Okay.
I'm stop it. I'm jiggling a bath.
Yeah.
Okay. One more time. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle. Okay. So, happy holidays.
What do you
That's
want to
Natalie.
keep safe this year?
What do you want to keep safe this year?
Put that bell back.